A powerful lake-effect snowstorm swept through the Great Lakes region, blanketing parts of northern New York, Ohio, and Pennsylvania with heavy snow on Friday, disrupting post-Thanksgiving travel.
This bullshit. I done been out here shoveling over and over and over and over to make sure her driveway is clear so she can get in the driveway. That's love, because I don't fuck around in the snow. Somebody that slid into my damn truck, so I had to move it off the street and put it in the driveway. So, welcome to motherfucking Erie. Stop!
This intense weather system, fueled by unusually warm lake waters, is expected to paralyze several areas with near-record snowfall.
That's Route 20. It's a big Erie road that we take to get into Erie. And then here comes my husband. My friend's dad snowblowed the road so we could get in and out. So there you go. That's how much snow we got.
Just to give you guys an idea of what the snow is like here in Erie, PA, I'm right outside my apartment.
By Friday afternoon, parts of Michigan's Upper Peninsula, including Marquette County, had already received over 8 inches of snow.
Yeah, this shit sucks. We're supposed to get anywhere from 24 to 40 inches of snow. I gotta go take care of this shit. I gotta plow it. I don't know. Fucking anybody want a lawnmower? Oh my god. I hate winter in Ohio. I want to move to Florida. 3-year goal.
Western New York saw more extreme totals, with Mayville recording 17 inches of accumulation. Watertown, New York, and braces for up to 6 feet of snow over the next 3 days, marking one of the heaviest snowfalls of the season.
A blizzard. And it's fine.
Yeah, this is crazy. I don't even want to walk to the fucking house. I might just stay in the garage all night. We're supposed to get 4 feet of this shit tonight. We're up to 18 inches at least. Fuck Ohio.
We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes.
New York Governor Kathy Hochul declared a state of emergency across 11 counties, urging residents to prepare for hazardous conditions. "We don't love it, but it's part of who we are," Governor Hochul said, emphasizing the resilience of New Yorkers.
Okay, I gotta do this real video real quick. So, over at my in-laws, and this is my aunt's car. Check this out. Pennsylvania, first snowfall of 2024. This is November 29th.
They're not holding back.
Right.
They're not holding back.
Me and my kids are out here trying to get this stuff all shoveled out. The snow has gotten madly. Look at this. This is a car buried. How high the snow is.
The National Weather Service warned that the prolonged storm would create paralyzed regions east of Lakes Erie and Ontario, closing highways and stranding travelers. Portions of Interstate 90 were shut down between Hamburg, New York, and the Pennsylvania border.
Shipping away. He's got the electric snowblower.
We gotta shovel this for you, girl. Oh my god. Alright, here's what we got. If this gives you any idea how much snow. There's the roof. And that's been blowing off periodically. How about this? This is the most accurate. That's my little table. Yeah, it's bad. We tried to do some shoveling.
Drivers were left stranded for miles, while nearby hotels in Pennsylvania and New York filled up quickly with motorists seeking refuge.
It just keeps coming down. And this one thinks she's a fucking husky and won't go inside. And we can't get out of here. We can't get out of here.
to go check on my chickens and I can't get to them. Oh, hi, Birdie. Hi. Oh my God. Oh, I didn't even realize the amount of snow broke it. Oh my God.
Lake effect snow, caused by cold air moving over warm lake waters, is notorious for creating intense, localized storms.
Yeah. It's still coming down. It's not supposed to stop until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So this is fun. How's y'all's?
I went ahead and I stocked all my jerry cans up with fuel, so I do have fuel and a generator for when we inevitably lose power tomorrow. I got my dog out here playing in the snow right now. Tomorrow it's going to be way over his head. I'm going to have to snow blow a big old path just for him to go to the bathroom. But so this is the backyard. I'm going to take you guys.
This storm, fueled by record-high lake temperatures, is the first significant lake effect event of the season. Even areas accustomed to lake effect snow are going to feel this, said meteorologist David Roth.
I have to restake that Christmas tree back down. But here is how much snow we got today on top of our trash can. It is sticking a little bit onto the sidewalk as well. These lights are going to be completely covered that shine up onto my house. Those lights are going to be fine. I did throw salt down here on my sidewalks going up to my front porch because we get a lot of deliveries. And I have a delivery driver refrigerator right there, so hopefully they get to enjoy that if that's not completely buried. But yeah, so that's how much snow we got today. 6 feet of snow coming overnight. It's supposed to start coming heavy too.
Don't have hurricanes. We don't have tornadoes. We don't have...
As the storm raged on, an Arctic blast added to the misery, plunging wind chills in the Dakotas and Minnesota to as low as minus 15 degrees Fahrenheit. With freezing temperatures expected to persist into next week, travel and daily life across the Midwest and Northeast remains severely disrupted. Despite the chaos, forecasters expect Buffalo to receive a more modest 6 inches of snow by Sunday, just in time for the Buffalo Bills game against the San Francisco 49 ERs at Orchard Park Stadium.
Snowfall! Are you going to send it to TikTok?
Sure.
However, the wider region will face ongoing travel hazards and power outages as the storm continues to intensify. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.